Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Jay Kim. I'm the EVP of DEEPX. The title of today's talk is DEEPX new M1 NPU delivers flexibilities, accuracy, efficiency, and performance. Let's just start the short journey together. We hope that we will implement high-level intelligence on edge NPU. At first, take a look at the left side. Using V100 GPU, we can get 229 frames per second and 51 MAP for YOLO version 7. In order to get this number, we have to spend $14,000 and 300 watt power consumption. However, there is another solution from edge NPU. Take a look at right side. Spending $69.99 and 3 to 5 power consumption, we can get 133 frames per second and 50.9 MAP. Both cases, we assume like a batch size is 1. However, we cannot get more performance than V100. But as you know, V100 is server level to GPU. But if we cannot get the number, but you can see the difference of power efficiencies between these two cases. So in the cases, we can make some kind of feasible solution with low cost and low powers. Which one do you prefer for edge computing? That is the reason why we make M1 NPU.